Hello, this is Melissa and Thad from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today we're going to go to Amish country and visit some produce markets and bulk food stores and different things to do a grocery haul. Because this is the grocery haul collab, and the hosts are Jessica Myros and Tiffany from Small Town 6. Please check out their channels and the playlist. And I hope you enjoy our little trip to Amish country to see what we can find. Okay, our first stop on our grocery haul trip, it was Harry's Market Wholesale. They had a lot of beautiful hanging baskets, some plants, and a lot of really, really nice produce, and some really good prices on some of it, and some was a little expensive, but you know, you find the deals you find, and we found jalapeno peppers were 25 cents. We also got a couple cantaloupes and a couple things there. But this is just showing you some of the things they had. Their grapes were huge. Look at Thad's thumb next to the grape. He said they almost reminded him of an apple. They were so big. There's their mushrooms. They had some nice lettuce and broccoli. And it's very early here, so a lot of this stuff they brought in from the south. I was surprised it was even open. It's so early. There's his shopping cart. And it's open air. I mean, it's not like a closed-in store. Oh, they had some cider. Cabbage and sweet potatoes and real big onions. Nice bag of potatoes. Asparagus. That's asparagus and rhubarb's the one thing that's probably they got here in Ohio. They had bananas. The watermelon. They had a lot of people buying watermelon. Plums. There's strawberries. We got some of those, and they were really, really good. They had avocados. Their cantaloupe was really, really good for as early as it is here. We have green onions now in the garden, so that's probably from Ohio too. Their sweet corn, we got some of that too. These are apples for if you want to feed deer. They had a ton of ferns. They had a lot of people buying ferns. We did find a variety of tomato plants here. That's hard to find, so we did pick up about a dozen tomato plants. They're yellow and red tomatoes, so we did pick those up here too. They had a lot of stuff that would be great for your Cinco de Mayo party, because that would have been in 2 days from when we filmed this video. Okay, at the produce stand we got 2 cantaloupes. They were, I think, $3. Thad got some strawberries. I thought they looked really nice. And we also got 6 things of sweet corn. Next, we stopped at Hersburggers Farm and Bakery which is a neat little place. They have a cute little petting zoo, but they have a really, really good bakery. They also sell some produce, but this is their bakery section. And we stopped to get some donuts because it was still breakfast time by the time we got there, and we were hungry at this point. So this is some of their selections of different things. Thad also picked up some black licorice, which I know that you either love that or you hate it, but we like it. So he picked up a thing of black licorice also while we were there. And this is just a little bit inside their store. I buy a lot of their noodles to make chicken and noodle soup, especially in the wintertime when you don't feel so good. But I also found their chicken and their noodles, you can find them on Amazon. So if I can't get to the Amish store in the wintertime, I will pick them up on Amazon. Because Miss Miller's Noodles is sold on Amazon. They have some chocolate covered pretzels and some turtles, some candies there. And they're always very, very busy. We like to go to the produce and here early because they get very, very busy. And it's sometimes even hard to find parking. There's your Amish pies and bread. They do have a lot of fry pies here too that Thad likes to pick up sometimes and take to work with him. And of course they're going to have your cinnamon rolls and oh, they also have ice cream. I don't remember them having that before. They have frozen pies also.
While you're at it, why don't you take your other?
And they have frozen blackberries and different berries for if you want to make your own pies. These are the donuts we got, their maple long john. Okay, first we got a dozen cream-filled and custard-filled maple donuts. Long johns, they're called. Looks like Thad might have got his finger on that one, but they were really good. This was our breakfast because it was a whole day at Amish country picking up things. We made it to Troyer's Market where we shopped for cheese and meat and bulk food. They have a wonderful selection. Okay, the meat and cheese came from Troyer's.
And so did
wholesome food. And they're, of course, closed on Thursday, Amish business. And there's their website. Tell us what we got at Troyer's.
we're gonna try a pizza. I heard so hungry.
Oh, what's it look like? Show us. Show us. It looks good.
I'm not sure if that was as good as.
Not real spicy. Show. How much did you get?
It's how many pounds? Oh, 11? No.
7.
That's a amount price. This thing is like a 2.32 pounds. So that, yeah, 2.3, yeah, that's right. And then this is almost 2 pounds.
What other meat did you get? Don't put it on top of the donuts.
No, I got a little bit. We got this Which I think we tried this roast beef earlier. 22.1 pounds. It's $10 a pound, roughly. So it's $9.99, and it looks good. Then I got 2 of these.
For lunch we had some of this.
Turkey breasts.
I had to turn it off.
And we got 2 turkey breasts, honey roasted.
About 6 pounds, right?
Yeah, there's 2 there and then 2 there, 4. Oh, only 4.
Yeah, but with the other.
Oh, wait, what's this?
That is ham, I think.
Oh, this is honey ham sliced, and that's over 2 pounds.
Yeah, I think you got 6 altogether of each one of those. Okay, this?
Yeah, this is cheese.
This is Kobe cheese.
We
You got 6 pounds.
Then we got the marble.
6 pounds of this. Because we won't be going back for quite a while.
And this is Swiss.
This is our Swiss. Got 6 pounds of this too. And we'll freeze it and vacuum seal it in small amounts. And some chocolate for desserts. Troyers, we picked up a big bag of bird seed. We finally made it to Foster's Seed Company. They have anything for the garden that you ever want. Seeds, plants, bushes, fruit trees. And their stuff is really, we love their quality. They really do well in our garden. Here is their building. They don't have a greenhouse anymore. It caught fire a few years ago. But this is the place where we go for all things garden. This is in Mount Vernon, Ohio. I picked up all of our vegetables for our garden. Picked up an elderberry bush and even more vegetables.